So this is the daily chart on UPS, and we can see that we have a gap down for the day. Uh, this appears to be a gap and go, meaning when price gaps, it just continues to move in that same direction. So the reason for the gap, UPS fell short of Wall Street revenue estimates, reporting drops in shipping volume, both internationally and domestically. Company also announced 12,000 layoffs as part of an effort to align resources in 2024. UPS 2024 outlook expects revenue to range from 92 billion to 94.5 billion. All right, just taking things up a couple of notches higher on time frame. This is the monthly chart, and you can see that we did hit an all-time high back in February of 2022. And if you follow the 13 simple moving average, price action has been lower highs and lower lows. We did have a major support level near that 155 level, and that was good for a bounce. However, again, because you were in this downtrend, these weekly sell levels was a great setup to take it short. Again, looking at the 155 level, what becomes support is now resistance. Another interesting level to note is this 136 level, which was once upon a time a previous all-time high, established back in 2018. Again, resistance serves as support, so you got a nice bounce. Really, this is just a pullback before the next leg down, and as you can see, we are getting a sell-off to end the month of January. Now, before we continue with the analysis, let's look at this article. It is coming from CNBC. Again, UPS fell short of Wall Street revenue estimates, reporting drops in shipping volume. In the fourth quarter earnings, the company also announced 12K layoffs as part of an effort to align resources in 2024. Here's what the CEO had to say. 2023 was a unique and quite candidly difficult and disappointing year. They experienced declines in volume, revenue, operating profits in all three of their business segments. For the last 3 months of 2023, UPS reported net income of 1.6 billion compared to 3.45 billion a year earlier. Company reported a 7.4% drop in average daily volume domestically and an 8.3% decrease internationally. CEO said international softness was heavily weighed in Europe, coupled with freight complications in the Red Sea region as well as the Panama and Suez canals. Though the earnings report did not directly mention any financial impact from negotiations from the Teamsters in August over labor contracts, Tommy, the CEO, cited the negotiations and the macro environment more broadly as contributing to the disappointing year. Again, the outlook, they're looking for revenue between 92 and 94.5 billion, with an adjusted operating margin of about 10 to 10.6%. So this was definitely a sell the news type of event. If we go to the weekly chart, again, you can see this level served as resistance, which will support. Your moving averages are still pointing down. So this was a setup to go short. This would have been a lovely area to, if price would have got up to here. This is a weekly sell level, but again, that resistance support band was all that was needed to push price down. So where's price heading next? Look at current price, look to the left, look down. There's no levels of interest in terms of buyers till you retest this support level at 136. Going to the daily chart, you have a couple of gaps. This was a double bottom. So where's price heading? A nice W pattern. I think we go lower, at least another $10 lower. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.